For video production, the majority of units end with a project-based summative assessment that usually includes the creation and publication of a video or related project. However, these skills are cumulative and the projects are built on multiple technological and theoretical skills, so there's a need for more formative or progress assessments in the form of quizzes. Google Forms offers an excellent tool to integrate technology-based quizzes into the curriculum, but for video there is a need for a tool that allows images or video to be embedded as well. Since video productions is largely visual, this report offers an evaluation of QuizStar. QuizStar allows the inclusion of multimedia that Google Forms doesn't offer. QuizStar is a free online quiz generator that allows teachers to create various quizzes. In the editing format, teachers can create multiple choice questions, they can create true-false questions, they can create short answer fill-in-the-blank questions. Perhaps the best advantage, though, is they can include media in the question or in the answer options. Teachers can also create classes, specific classes for middle school or high school teachers with numbers of students, designate the period, make the course public or private, and then they can also track the responses to the quizzes. An active report will allow the teacher to look at not only classroom results but also individual results. QuizStar provides very detailed information on the questions, the numbers correct, the numbers incorrect, graphs to look at where your classes are strong, and also individual reports so you can assess how each individual student is doing. You can also download the report as a CSV file, which will allow you to include it into most modern grading programs. The technology of QuizStar incorporates the assessment and learning by allowing teachers to directly assess subject matter competence with questions, images, or videos that relate directly to the objectives and activities as outlined in the process of curriculum alignment, as referred to in the textbook, where objectives, activities, and assessment all match. By aligning each of the questions with objective or standards, the quiz becomes a measurable part of the learning process. In a video productions class, the teacher can also use QuizStar to introduce and teach an objective such as shot types, then provide a supporting activity, and then go back to this as a progress assessment to see where the students stand. This will allow the teacher to use data to drive instruction because they can receive instant feedback in an online quiz manager. If students find that certain questions are problematic, then the teacher can then go back and revisit the topic with other classroom tools that will help them move towards proficiency or mastery. So QuizStar becomes a part of the teaching process rather than just a results-oriented assessment. The class manager is the key for tracking student progress in QuizStar. The class manager in QuizStar creates both class and individual reports. The quizzes can be set to multiple attempts to further track student growth. This allows the teacher to use the same quiz as both a formative and a progress assessment to see how the students progress in the learning of a subject matter. The best benefit of this tool is that it's free. Teachers can sign up and build quizzes in minutes. The next plus is that this quiz can include photos and video in the main body of the question or even in the possible responses. That's a 2 megabyte max for the file size, but that's enough to allow short video clips for students to address on a question. It's easy to navigate and create quizzes. Quizzes can be shared between teachers and the results can be downloaded in a spreadsheet. The teachers can come in and set a time frame for a quiz. They can make the quizzes timed, and this really frees up the class time and flexibility because it allows absent students to make up their work on their own time. Another great advantage to QuizStar is that these can all be created on a mobile device. This entire quiz was created on an iPhone, so this really frees up the teacher to be able to create in multiple areas and on multiple platforms. The biggest disadvantage is that the quizzes cannot be embedded in a website or web documents. They can only be activated and navigated to by the students. Students must navigate to them by going to the website and then logging in. With Google Forms, teachers can link any word or image and they're instantly there. This would be problematic even for high school students, even if the teacher pre-registers all of their students. Another disadvantage is that the external links cannot be used in either questions or answers. QuizStar is a self-contained system. Everything that appears in your quiz must be on their server. Teachers who like to change the look or layout of their tools or include school branding will find that QuizStar is visually static and doesn't offer templates such as Google Forms. All in all, the advantages of using multimedia and tracking student progress outweigh the extra navigation or lack of embedding. Our research revealed several other tools that included those features, but they were not free. I added in a large community of teachers using QuizStar to collaborate and share with, and this clearly represents an excellent way to integrate technology into assessment. Since online quizzes are also a common tool being used in business and higher education, this will help prepare students for real-world experiences later in life as well. Overall, QuizStar is an effective way to integrate technology into assessment and also into the teaching process in any part of your curriculum.